Hello everybody, Dave's Rave Roving the Rock here, and I am today halfway between Brodick and Corrie, just near Pirates Cove, and I'm filming PS Waverly because it was going the wrong direction ever since it left Brodick. It left at 2:30, it proceeded southwards, and then at some point turned around and came back all the way back past Lamlash and Brodick, and then up to Corrie, and it had a helicopter above it for a lot of the time, I'm told. In fact, I did see another thing on the Marine AIS Traffic map tracking it, so I imagine that's the helicopter. At one point I saw that particular vehicle doing 44 knots, so I suppose that was a helicopter. And I don't know what happened to this vessel, but I thought I'd film it. So it's now just turned round and it's going back towards Brodick again, having gone the wrong direction for the last hour or so. No helicopter above it now, making good progress actually. So whether there was somebody ill on board, it was doing 9.5 knots the whole time it was going the wrong direction. So whether it was drifting or it had somebody ill on board that needed medical attention, I don't know. I don't know what the reason was. That's the only two I've come up with. But it's certainly going full steam, excuse the literal expression here. Full steam ahead, because it is a paddle steamer, and it looks like it's going fine. Okay, so I've caught up with the Waverley. This is the first people I've got off. Seems pretty normal. Ricky, hold on there. Helicopter voluntary for the helicopter was above you for the well, there we go. I've just spoken to Ricky, somebody I know, and he was confirming the helicopter was going above him for a long time. I've spoken to somebody else just on the way here actually. He said that the helicopter was the whole way from Brodick to Corrie, and in fact that's what I saw on the map from Whiting Bay, from last Brodick and Corrie. Really the whole of that journey, just about all of it had a helicopter with them. I don't know what that was about. So, and this one was meant to be going around Holy Isle and Pladda, which is the direction of course from Corrie. Corrie wasn't in the schedule at all. Guys up here. Up here. So anyway, if the passengers don't know, I don't know. That's instant, but the vessel's working normally now. We'll just film everybody going back on it again. Well, people go off at Brodick, that's for sure. Anyway, hopefully I'll find out at some point. Let's get a drive for them today. And everything seems to be right with the world just now, so that's the main thing. Hello. Hi. You'll be on YouTube. Okay. A mystery. It's still a good excuse to come and see it. It's my second visit to the pier today. I didn't expect to be back again. When I came here at 2:30, I just sat silently and took in the atmosphere. But this time I'm being a bit more noisy, just because I'm still wondering what all that was about. And I don't know. And it's just like it never happened, to be honest. There's MV Alfred over there, just waiting to get in. He'll be coming into the berth, of course. Have a look at that. There we go, Captain Arran. The camera's still there. MV Alfred.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We'd just like to apologise for the slightly late running of the Waverley this afternoon due to the fact one of our passengers had a medical emergency and had to be airlifted across to the mainland. So apologies for this, folks. We hope you understand. I'm sure you do. So thank you very much. Facilities are open at the Waverley for the rest of the evening. Main meals are now available in the ship's dining saloon if you require a hot meal for the return voyage. Souvenirs, postcards and confectionery from the shop are also available, and the tea bar and the Ginny Dean's lounge for stronger refreshments also open. Thank you.
Okay, so there's the answer then. Somebody took unwell and got helicoptered off. So that was a bit of drama. Hopefully they're okay. I can't even imagine what it's like to get winced off the Waverley in a helicopter. That's the answer. Round the corner again, we'll get another look at the Alfred. There we go. That's the best I can do. Bring it back. We'll watch this vessel pulling away. Okay, so the rope at the back's getting let go off first. That's what happens. There we go. 2 ropes on there. One's gone. Just waiting for MV Alfred to get there. That's the delay there. And here she is. Let's poke the camera through this wee gap. And that's the rope just going in the water now. Turn around here, the boat's just moving away from the berth. You know, I knew it was coming, still made me jump. Loud for normal that time, how it seemed it. Okay. Okay, that's that rope coming off now. And there it goes. And then I'll wheel back round. We'll get the... Oh, what's the wheel going round? There it goes, it's just starting. Might camera that. Okay. Absolutely gorgeous, isn't it? We've got that vessel there, and that vessel. And we're lucky to have both. Fantastic. Okay, Dave Brave, roving the rock, overnight.